Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I had a little time this week to think about things, and I realized that I started my shows back in 2009, January of 2009, and I've got over 5 million views. Whoa, I had no idea. And I'm up to like almost 2,500 videos, and one of the people that has been supporting my shows, and there are several, but this is just one of them, is Jeff King. And Jeff King, about 5 years ago, maybe Jeff, um, sent me a text and said, would you like me to bring some of my radios so you could show them on your show? And I said, great. And then I realized he lives in Jacksonville. And he says, well, I have to take trips down to Orlando and down that way every couple of months to get supplies for my business. So I could drop by and bring you some radios and then the next time around swap them out with some new ones. So we've been doing this for about 5 years, and it's really, really helped my channel to have all those radios from his collection, because I kind of did the reviews of all my radios except for the newer ones. And so today I wanted to give Jeff a shout out. And here is his Facebook page. There's Jeff, and he has a business where he does mobile detailing of cars and trucks and all kinds of things. And I just wanted to kind of give you a quick preview of his business. Here's his phone number. He lives in Jacksonville. And if you come down here, this is where he lives, his phone number. And he told me a couple of days ago, he says, well, I've actually been in business for 20 years, so I need to update this. And then we're going to look at a couple of photos of some of his work. Here's some things he's done. Like I say, he does trucks. Here's a truck he did. All these pictures of a truck he did that was heavily oxidized. Here's the side he's done. Here's the side that's hasn't been done yet. Here's a car he detailed, some of his equipment. Here's a Porsche that he did. And look at this. Some of you will recognize this. I don't know if it's the original one or not. There's Jeff again, hard at work. Even did a crane, a full-size crane. He did detailing on a crane. There's a sports car he did. He also does boats. There's a Cadillac. I'd like to have that Cadillac. And there's his truck. You won't miss his truck. It's a yellow truck. He was here just a couple of days ago, brought me more radios. So like I say, if you need some detailing work and you're in the Jacksonville area, please give Jeff a call. Let me go back up here. There's his phone number. And again, I want to thank Jeff for supporting my shows and bring me all of his radios. I think he has more radios than I do. I have over 400 radios. I think Jeff is getting close to that. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.